Are your devices getting you down? Always having to stand up, walk over, and turn something on with your hands? Well, say hello to Wyze Plug. The new device from the most bitchin' company in the world, Wyze. Now you can make all your dumb devices smart. Now you're plugging with power. Smart power. You don't even need your hands to control your devices. Ask Alexa or Google to turn things on and off.
Alexa, turn on the fan.
Be in control of your home anytime, from anywhere. She just turned off her hair gripper from miles away. You can create schedules to have things turn on and off at specific times of the day. Get a 2-pack for only $14.99. Boom shaka laka. Get yours now and start living an amazing life, like people who live in the future that have an amazing life. Wyze Plug. Now you're plugging with power. Smart power.